Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP Zenwood X2 4th generations. So what is easy way to download the driver? Open any browsers to type like that and Google search. After that you go to this URL support.hp.com. This is officially websites, so you can download driver. Okay, just right click to go to new tab and you come this this is websites. You just select your OS, select that which are you using, Windows 10, 11. So simple, you select which is your operating system and then click to update. By default it will take in Windows 10. Okay, so if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about that, you just download driver. So there are two type of method you can download driver. First you can one by one. Okay, and second you just select driver and you can see here the driver. Okay, and just selected file to download easily. So this is very simple. First of all, you select which is you required. This is a chipset, so select this. Okay, this is not required. Graphic card, use Intel. Try to this one Intel. Okay, then keyboard, mouse, so only for mouse only. Then network, so this is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drive. Clone will LAN drive and also inbuilt in this side, otherwise might be port is not there, so you can install only Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so selected driver show here, so you just click to download. It will download one by one automatically. Okay, and click to here. So this is download process. Then next install process, you just download a file to click, just single click, then click to yes. Then next I accept the term and conditions. Then next, this is installations folder. So if you want to change, so click to change and select this folder which is you have to install it. Then next, and wait few seconds, it will start to installations in the install.cmd. Okay, this is completed. So guys, try this if you are facing some issues and when you downloading and installing, so please comment me, I will support. Thank you so much.